If you're looking to sell your Coolidge house fast, Kevin Buys Houses is the answer you're looking for. With over 20 years of experience, we understand how to help you sell your house quickly and easily. Our process is designed to be quick, hassle-free, and convenient for you. We can provide you with a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours, and we can close the deal in as little as 7 days. This means that you can receive cash for your property quickly and move on with your life. At Kevin Buys Houses, we take care of everything for you. You don't need to worry about cleaning, repairing, or staging your property. You also don't need to find a reliable real estate agent or deal with complicated contracts and paperwork. All you need to do is provide us with some basic information about your property, and we'll take care of the rest. We buy houses with cash, which means that there's no need for traditional bank financing. This ensures a fast and reliable payment for your house without any complicated loan applications. Even if your Coolidge house needs repairs, we'll handle the details and ensure that you receive a fair price. No matter what your situation is, we can help you sell your Coolidge house fast. Whether you're facing foreclosure, divorce, relocation, inherited property, vacant houses, mortgage problems, probate, liens, downsizing, major repairs, or if you're a tired landlord, we can provide a solution. Get started today by contacting us at 480-650-2709 or visiting kevinbuyshouses.com. We're ready to provide you with a fast and fair all-cash offer for your Coolidge house.